Okay, let's start again. I'm making this video and right now again just because I don't have a time. We are not good, man. If you think you are good, you are bad. If you think you are bad, you are good. Not good. I'm talking about the truth. What is truth? The truth is not good and not bad. Society say society is wrong. Okay, so coming at point. I'm talking about the truth. I'm not talking about the Parameswar. I'm talking about the God. I'm talking about the Sivas in Vishnu. I'm talking about what is a God. The God is not actually what people say. God is any not a controller which is sitting on the top of the earth or at, away from earth and is controlling the earth. Earth is a bullshit. Land, you don't need to control. This is controlled by a nature law, right? The people say that our God is in the you. Go to the mandir temple and works even say, God, give me this. You can't take anything. This is bad. The whole religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whole bad. In the based on belief. If anything is saying that is anything about the God, about you, about the world, you want proof from that religion. And any religion can't give you proof. He just give you belief. The belief is the wrong thing. You should believe on God. You should believe on doing this thing. You should believe on doing ritual. See, I am not bloody man who believe in ritual. Why I believe in ritual? I am a human. I have a mind. I have a intelligence. I have observation. Who give a nature? This is our nature. I have our intelligence. I use my intelligence and go to the anything. The whole the Indian farmer is very and very poor. The Indian labor are very poor. They can't be rich just because of belief system and society system. The political system. The political are very bad. Your BJP, Congress, anything are very bad. Aam Aadmi Party, anything, Sabha Baspa, I don't care about that and any coming that. Any country of foundation, if it is belief, that is a bullshit. Because belief is going to the down, not up. Down on what? What? In a mental mind. Belief go to the down, not up. You should be going to the up, not down, right? Our growth is up, not in down. Okay, simple. You should be listening to Krishna, not Bhagavatama. Right? Do you understand what I'm saying to trying to say that? I can't say this word in Hindi because English, because English, a man, I like Hindi, I love Hindi, I love Sanskrit. And thing is that the people is corrupted this language. The Indian man corrupt the language, very corrupt. That by who do this? Who do corrupt our language? Corrupt our language by this whole Indian bloody rascal man. You go to the Ganga Nadi in Banaras. You can watch a seat. Seat. You know what is it? Human body in the side of stair. Sidiya. You know what is Sidiya? Stair. Ladder. You see Ganga in a Ganga river in a one ghat. You can see a one kind of sewage, dust, polluted sewage, factory water and dumping in a Ganga. Oh, I asked one man on Banaras, bro, you don't think the Ganga river is polluted? He say, I don't think. This is our ma. Why? What is ma? Our ma, mother. Ma, not polluted. They don't care what is the pollution. One may say, yeah, maybe, but the government is working on. What do you mean by government? Not working, bloody government. Take maybe 12 years in. The Ganga was not so polluted when Angrez was here, right? The Ganga not got polluted when Mughal was here. The Ganga not got polluted when Aurangzeb was here. When Shiva, Rama, Krishna not polluted Ganga. Why polluted just right now? Because we are not like them. We are also not like a British. One man go to the America. Swami Vivekananda, the American, appreciate that. But Indians don't like. Indians kill them. Indians kill Swami Vivekananda. Not through physically, but emotionally and mentally torture. That guy died in 36 years. That is our shamefulness. We should be shameful on that thing. On the other hand, our politician lived, okay, in a 19, I don't care. What I say, the Ganga period is just wrong right now. Why? I will talk in most session, but I won't try not talk to right now. I don't have a time, but I will try to in a most next session. The most and important thing is just one thing. We are not living in a country. We are living in a dustfulness. I don't like a Modi. I don't like a Congress. I don't like an Indian bloody anything. Maybe I will be dying in a few days just because of what I'm saying. That is very and very ridiculous. And I don't have a money. I don't have a food to survive. And I can't live in this whole society. I, where I am living, I can't live that, this way. See, so if I will be died, one thing. I don't know what is the wrong thing and what is the right thing, but what I observe in my life through our intelligence, our curiosity, I will die for them. And I don't care. The Buddha was died by our so-called lovely people, and they give a poison in his food. They are my all. One parents give a mental medicine a boy just because of he is curious about the science and not talking to them because these are a madman. Because these are because the parents are so beliefistic, so called so ritualistic, unrealistic, unfactual. The boys come and say you are wrong. Your system is wrong. Your pandit is wrong. Your politician is wrong. Your society is wrong. Your food system is wrong. Your home system is wrong. Your work system is wrong. And I want to be right through. I want to scientist. His parents spend 5 lakh money for his education just for becoming an IIT. He is ready, but not give a 5,000 for science. He give a mental medicine and send his to a mental hospital and say in the whole village, my boy is become a mad and not care to me and not care my sex toy. Not care my sex toy. I mean, you understand what I'm saying? Because our parents is just a sex toy and they want to his child to become just a sex toy and produce sex toy. We should stop our population. We should stop our pollution. We should stop our consumption. But they don't want to stop this. In a marriage, parents, Indian parents, mostly 6 lakh spend normally. I am talking about the poor. And that's why our parents also do want to this. This whole will be happen. in just a 5 year. If he completed his degree, his marriage is already gone. In a 4 year, he can complete degree. In a 5 year, he can marry. In a 5 year, they spend in a 10 lakh, and if they don't give his boy just 10,000, he give disease, mental disease, torture them and die, beat them, and that boy is I am. That boy is I am. Okay. The my mistake is I'm asking the question, and I'm happy. I don't care my. I'm feeling right now good to say this. I'm in my brain there was burden. I want to live well, thankfulness with thankfulness and greatness. I don't want to say this, but there is a need. If I don't say, the society will be functioning in the same way. And my duty is just this. What I do, just to share with you. Thank you so much.